फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप कोविड ट्रैवल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के कारण फ्लोरेंस इटली में नहीं जा पाए तो आप फ्लोरेंस पार्क अंबिका में आ सकते हैं। आई हैव सीन द होल प्रोजेक्ट। इट इज़ सो एम्बियंस इज सो गुड, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक यूरोपियन फील।
Hello and welcome to Family Nest YouTube channel. This is your co-host Deepika Mahajan and today I'm here at the Ambika Florence Park in New Chandigarh. Ji haan friends, so I have come here to show you the ready to move in apartments and what all do they have inside Ambika Florence Park.
So today we are with Mr. Harmil Thakur. He's heading the sales for Ambika Group in Chandigarh Tri-City. Harmil ji, thank you for your time. तो हम बताना चाह रहे थे कि अपने जितने भी व्यूअर्स को कि अंबिका में फ्लोरेंस पार्क में द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज़ एट फुल स्विंग। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर इंटेंशनली एट द साइट। यहाँ पे शोर भी काफ़ी है कंस्ट्रक्शन की एक्टिविटी का, बट वी वांटेड टू बी हियर टू शो यू एक्चुअली द कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोग्रेस विच इज़ इन फुल स्विंग। यू कैन सी राइट नाउ। बाकी हरमिल जी ज़्यादा बेहतर बता पाएंगे सर हमें।
As we can see, we have handed over 3 towers, Primrose A, B and C, which we have offered possession. And then we can see the front ones. This is Orchid A and B. इनके possession 3 से 5 महीने में है. And then we have Esther Towers जो सामने structure complete हो चुके हुए हैं. उसमें possession 1 साल में है. तो अगले साल के end तक इन तीनों के भी possession offer हो जाएंगे. बीच में you can see the central green area.
हरमिल जी, पीछे यहाँ जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ऑलरेडी लोग रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे सारे। तो कैन यू टेल अबाउट दीस पोजीशंस वगैरह हो चुके हैं?
सर यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने बताया प्राइमरोज ए, बी एंड सी टावर्स हैं। तो इनमें बी एंड सी टावर्स में ऑलरेडी पीपल आर रिजाइडिंग। देयर आर 100+ फैमिलीज विच आर रिजाइडिंग एज ऑफ नाउ।
ओके।
तो जैसे आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं जो इनके एडजॉइनिंग ग्रीन एरियाज हैं, चाहे ओपन जिम है, किड्स प्ले एरियाज हैं, बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है, तो इस साइड का गजीबो है आपके बैक साइड पे। सो दीज आर द फैसिलिटीज विच आर अराउंड दीज टावर्स विच आर ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल। एंड यू कैन सी द सेंट्रल ग्रीन वर्क इज ऑल्सो ऑलरेडी ऑन। तो अभी पूरा आपका सेंट्रल ग्रीन भी अगले 3 से 4 महीने में वुड बी फुली ऑपरेशनल।
या अभी वी कैन सी जस्ट नाउ lot of kids were playing here badminton and all, and now also some kids are playing. So active play area, people are already residing here, and construction पूरी तेजी से चल रही है। तो these are ready to move or closer to possession flats, so it's a good option over there.
So what else you're looking for? आपके पास ready to move in apartments है, you have a good play area, you have a great landscaping, and you have a well-secured network that is you saw at the entrance. So sir, you know we really want you to tell our audience what's so special about this toddlers park here.
This is specifically, we have tried to cater to every age group. So
Right.
this is specifically meant for the toddlers. As you can see the sand pit, this is for the small kids to play around, and this sand has been specifically brought from some place in Goa for this purpose only. So it's safe for the kids to play in.
हरमिल सर, मुझे एक चीज़ बेसिक लग रही है, जैसे मेरा एज ग्रुप है, भी यहाँ पे कार्ड्स रूम कोई नहीं है कि दिवाली चल रही है, दिवाली सीजन है, मेरे को कार्ड्स रूम आई सकती है। हमारे लिए भी कोई एक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए।
There is activity for all age groups. Like you can see, the club is under construction.
Okay.
So in few
So
months'
that would
time,
be
the
having
club would be ready. So we have facilities like indoor gym. You can see the pool has already taken shape. Then we have got the gymnasium, card room, pool room. So other facilities which are
अगर
basic
आप
part of the
थोड़ा
club.
जल्दी बता देते तो दिस वुड हैव बीन एक्टिव एरिया कार्ड्स रूम नियर दिवाली।
So it's in progress, dear friends. You have everything here in-house at Ambika Florence Park.
You find all our play areas which are well carpeted, and you find in the evenings and early mornings you'll come across lots of kids who are playing in the basketball court or playing badminton or the other sports which are present at the site. Now we can move ahead to the towers which we have handed over. So all the towers have a double-heighted entrance lobby. So we'll just go and have a feel of the lobby.
ये तो मुझे होटल की तरह लग रही थी, जैसे होटल की एंट्रेंस होती है 5 स्टार की, तो ये आपको 5 स्टार की फील आ रही है। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप कोविड ट्रैवल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के कारण फ्लोरेंस इटली में नहीं जा पाए तो आप फ्लोरेंस पार्क अंबिका में आ सकते हैं। आई हैव सीन द होल प्रोजेक्ट, इट इज़ सो एम्बियंस इज सो गुड, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक यूरोपियन फील। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं प्रिमरोज टावर और इसकी एंट्री, and you can feel that all the towers will be having double heighted entrance lobbies, all the towers. We have seen the clubhouse which is going to be very grand, clubhouse की construction भी अभी हम देखते हुए आ रहे हैं। Everything about this project is superb.
So sir, when it comes to ready to move in apartments, so I think that Ambika Florence Park is considered as one of the best residential societies that can be considered. So what do you have to say, sir, looking at the amenities that they are offering and how well secured they are, and we see that residents, good amount of residents have already shifted here. So as a family nest, how you see that we can be associated.
See, we have seen all the projects in Tri-City. So what we see right now, the trend in people is they are looking for ready-to-move property, and at Ambika, both the projects which they are doing right now, Florence Park they have ready-to-move options also, and in Airport Road, Ambika La Parisian, it is going to be very close to possession. So we can see both the properties are good for such people who are looking for a ready-to-move property.
So we can say that overall that it's a good gentry that we find here at Ambika Florence Park, and soon to be finding at La Parisian, right, sir?
We have got people who are from different aspects of life. Some are professionals who are working around PGI, Punjab University. Some are working in Baddi. There are lots of people from Himachal also who have bought properties out here. Either their kids study out here or they have some kind of business which is related to Tri-City. So they keep on coming to these places. Then we have got few retired professionals as well who are residing. So this is kind of a mix setup which we have got out here.
So overall, like a great diversity that we can see here in terms of people and also the culture that they bring in. So the festive season is just
Yes, as you can see, we have got people who are working professionals.
Right.
So most of them, because of COVID and other reasons, are working from home as well. Then there are lots of people who go to Baddi every day, which is very close by to this place, around 15 to 20 minutes drive. There are people who are working with banks and other places in and around Tri-City.
एयरपोर्ट रोड से अब जैसे कनेक्टिविटी नहीं बन रही है, उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Sir, अभी तक न्यू चंडीगढ़ was dependent on two roads, Dakshin Marg and Madhya Marg. But अभी जैसे as we all know, the connectivity on the PR7 or the airport road is almost on the verge of completion. तो अगले 2 से 3 महीने में you will have connectivity directly from the airport road, which will come towards this area. So we right on the airport road. All apartments have balconies attached to it. तो natural light और wind ventilation और sunlight के लिए it is a very beautiful aspect.
As the festive seasons are just round the corner, so हम तो चाहेंगे that हमारी जो audience है उनको घर बैठे अच्छी offers मिले, तो आप हमारे audience के लिए थोड़ा consider करें, and that's what we hope for when it comes to Ambika projects, whether that's La Parisian on the International Airport Road Mohali or Ambika Florence Park in New Chandigarh.
उसके लिए आपको इनको कष्ट देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। You can always contact जतिन मोहन सेठ, मेरा नंबर फ्लैश हो रहा है नीचे, फैमिली नेस्ट रियल एस्टेट्स। आप जब भी फ़ोन करेंगे 5 मिनट के अंदर हम हाजिर हो जाएंगे, चाहे आप एयरपोर्ट रोड पे हैं, चाहे आप न्यू चंडीगढ़ में हैं। वी हैव ऑफिसेज एट बोथ द लोकेशंस।
And the best part is that they also offer pick and drop facility to all the vicinity in Tri-City.
नहीं, हम पिक कर लेते हैं, ड्रॉप अपने आप करना पड़ेगा।
So once again, thanks a lot very much, sir, for your
Thank you.
time, for your valuable time, and On behalf of Family Nest, I would really like to thank our audience for watching us out there and looking for ready to move in properties in Tri-City, one of the best options that you can consider. Ambika Florence Park in Chandigarh, and this is your co-host Deepika Mahajan signing off. Thanks a lot once again and stay tuned.